Hey everyone. Today we're going to learn what the DORA process is and why it's so important when your device connects to a network. Let me explain it with a fun story. Imagine you're at a huge party with thousands of guests and you need a special badge to get inside, but you don't know where to get it and you want to do it quickly without any hassle. This is exactly what happens when your device connects to a network. Our story begins with Alex, who just bought a new laptop. Alex walks into the networking party and shouts, "Hey, is there anyone here who can give me an IP address badge so I can join a network?" This shout is called a discover message. It's a laptop's way of finding a DHCP server. Suddenly, the DHCP server hears Alex and responds, "Yes, I have a badge for you. IP address 192.168.1.5. Want it?" This is the offer message, where the server promises an IP address. Alex replies excitedly, "Yes, please. I'd love to have that IP address badge." This reply is a request message, confirming Alex wants to use the offered IP. The DHCP server smiles and says, "Great. The IP address 192.168.1.5 is now yours. Welcome to the party." This final confirmation is called the acknowledge message. And just like that, Alex's laptop got connected, with no confusion or clashes with other devices. This four-step handshake discover, offer, request, acknowledge DORA makes sure every device gets a unique spot on the network smoothly. If you enjoyed this story and want to learn more cool tech concepts, like, comment, and subscribe for more. And if you want to support us, don't forget to hit that super thanks button. See you in the next story.